Hello and welcome back to the Tumpixel Site Builder tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore two very useful features when working with complex web pages: auto-scroll in layer navigation and the component navigation bar at the bottom of the editor. While these features may seem simple at first, using them effectively can help you locate components faster, better understand page structure, and work more efficiently while building websites. To better demonstrate how auto-scroll works, I'll first add several component templates to the current page. The goal is simply to create enough content so the page becomes longer and requires scrolling. This is the type of situation where auto-scroll becomes most useful. I'll add several random components. The actual content isn't important for this demonstration because these sections are only being used to showcase the feature. In a real project, these could be hero banners, service sections, product listings, pricing tables, or any other website content. Once the page contains enough content, we can start exploring auto-scroll. This feature can be enabled or disabled from either the inspector panel or directly within layer navigation on the left side. Both controls affect the same feature, so you can choose whichever location fits your workflow best. When working with long pages, locating a specific component can sometimes take time. With auto-scroll enabled, whenever you select a component inside layer navigation, the editor automatically scrolls to that component's position on the page. I'll now select several different components inside layer navigation. Notice how the page automatically moves to the selected component. This allows you to instantly confirm that you're working with the correct section of the website. This feature becomes especially valuable when working on long landing pages, content-rich business websites, or complex layouts. Instead of manually scrolling through the page to find a section, you can locate it instantly with a single click inside layer navigation. However, auto-scroll isn't always the best option. When you're rapidly editing multiple components or want to keep the page fixed at a certain position, automatic scrolling may become distracting. In those situations, you can simply disable the feature and re-enable it whenever needed. Like many productivity tools, its usefulness depends on the task you're performing. Next, let's look at the component navigation bar located at the bottom of the editor. This bar displays the hierarchy from the top-level parent component down to the currently selected component. It's extremely useful when working with layouts that contain multiple nested containers and elements. You can think of this navigation bar as a structural map of your page. It helps you understand exactly where the current component sits within the page hierarchy and allows you to move between parent and child components quickly and visually. When you hover over a component in the navigation bar, the corresponding element is highlighted both in the editor and in layer navigation. This makes it much easier to identify component locations without manually searching through the page. If you want to edit a parent component, simply click it in the navigation bar. The editor will switch the selection to that component and display the appropriate editing options. This is a fast and efficient way to work with larger containers and sections throughout your website. By combining layer navigation, auto-scroll, and the component navigation bar, managing complex web pages becomes significantly easier. These are tools you'll use frequently throughout your Tumpixel workflow. Taking the time to understand them now will help you work faster, more accurately, and more efficiently as your projects grow in size and complexity.